You should never need to add refrigerant to your air conditioner.
That's right, never. After the initial installation of your air conditioner, the refrigerant is in a closed system. No refrigerant will leave the system unless there's a leak.
So if you're told that your air conditioner needs refrigerant or Freon, a leak search needs to be done. This will allow you to locate where the leak is and what the recommended repair is. Just remember, your air conditioner never needs refrigerant added to it. If it does, there's a bigger problem, and you need to know where the leak is, why is it leaking, and what the recommended repair is. Once you have all this information, you can make the decision for yourself. Am I going to add a little bit of refrigerant? Am I going to do the repair? Am I going to replace the air conditioner? If you guys have any questions on this, call or text anytime. Thanks.